Cup Sports Festival Athletics Coordinator.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, atong i-announce una once again ang prizes. Let's call first. Ang una makadawat sa atong consolation, we have Cluster 2.
Cluster 2 is from Kauswagan, Tinaco, San Isidro, Princesa Lamaya, Nueva Vista, New Rizal, and Princesa Brescia.
Alright, ang ato ang mga consolation or ang matag cluster na madawat nila consolation is 2,000 pesos.
Congratulations!
Another consolation is coming from Cluster. Yes, it's Cluster 3.